Are you finding it challenging to manage your time effectively? Do you often feel overwhelmed with your workload, struggling to keep up with your tasks? Or perhaps you're simply looking for ways to squeeze more productivity out of your day? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you're in the right place. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of productivity hacks. These are strategies, techniques, and methods designed to enhance your efficiency and effectiveness. They can help you accomplish more in less time, reduce stress, and even improve your work-life balance. But remember, not every hack works for everyone. The key is to explore, experiment, and find the ones that best suit your needs and lifestyle. So are you ready to unlock your full potential and take your productivity to the next level? Let's dive in, starting with a popular technique called the Pomodoro technique. First up is the Pomodoro technique, a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. It breaks your work into 25-minute intervals, separated by 5-minute breaks. Each of these intervals is known as a Pomodoro, Italian for tomato. Proponents of the Pomodoro technique laud its simplicity and effectiveness. It can help you maintain focus and momentum while reducing the risk of burnout. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The rigid structure may not suit everyone, particularly those engaged in deep, complex tasks. Furthermore, it's not always feasible to take a break every 25 minutes, especially in a fast-paced work environment. Next on the list is the Eisenhower matrix, named after former U.S. President Dwight D. Eisenhower. This method involves categorizing tasks into 4 quadrants based on their urgency and importance. It's a fantastic tool for prioritizing tasks and managing time effectively. However, it requires a significant amount of planning and foresight. Also, it can be challenging to accurately categorize tasks, especially when everything seems equally important. Moving on to the lesser-known Seinfeld strategy. Comedian Jerry Seinfeld reportedly used this method to maintain his writing consistency. The idea is to do a task every day and mark off that day on a calendar, creating a chain of successful days. It's motivating and helps in building consistent habits. However, it can be demoralizing if you miss a day and break the chain. Also, it focuses more on quantity rather than quality. Lastly, there's the 2-minute rule, popularized by productivity guru David Allen. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately instead of scheduling it for later. It's a great way to tackle small tasks and prevent them from piling up. However, it can be a double-edged sword if not used wisely. It can lead to constant task switching, which can hamper overall productivity. To wrap up, productivity hacks are not a one-size-fits-all solution. The Pomodoro technique can help maintain focus, but its rigid structure may not suit everyone. The Eisenhower matrix is great for prioritizing tasks, but it requires substantial planning. The Seinfeld strategy motivates consistent action, but it can be demoralizing if you break the chain. The 2-minute rule helps tackle small tasks immediately, but it can lead to constant task switching. Remember, the best productivity hack is the one that suits your unique needs and work style. So, experiment, adapt, and find the method that makes you the most productive version of yourself. After all, productivity is not about doing more, but about achieving more.